welcome back to my video. Today, I'm going to be doing a manhunt. And yeah, that's basically it. We drive main. What does that mean? Oh, actually, there's a machine. Oh no. Shelly's on that one, I think. That's it. Ooh! Pebble just took it. Hey. Sorry. I don't know how I did not know this. I didn't know this. I'm saying I'm sorry. I did not mean to open Roger. I didn't know we had Roger, motherfuckers. Y'all should have told me or something. I'm literally crashing out. That's the second time! I did not know that we had fucking Roger. That's the second fucking time. I crashed out once in the other video that I just made just a few seconds ago. Uploaded like a few hours ago. And here I am, crying over about accidentally killing Astro. Like, I have a fucking instinct! I'm sorry. Oops. No. Machine. I'm sorry! I'm sorry to Astro. I'm really fucking sorry. Sorry. Yeah, it's technically Astro's fault because they didn't get off the machine, so they killed themselves. I just realized I forgot I have speed trinkets on still. I forgot about that. Shelly! That was Shelly's fault. That was Shelly's fault. Okay, thank you for letting me know. Shit! Fuck! Bro, I literally said shit, fuck. It flutters me when I accidentally. It's okay. I did not get off the skill check this time. So. Pebble, where are you? There you go. Gave you a boost. This Roger? Okay. That's Roger. I was waiting for him to finish the machine. I already got hit once. I don't want to get hit twice. Or for the second time. Oh, and if you haven't subscribed and hit that notification bell, do it now! Cause it would help me. My mental fucking health. Ooh! Scrumdiddly yum yum ma burp burp. Yoink. Yum yum ma burp burp. Oh, my fucking side! Fuck. And where? 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 What the fuck? Bassie, you know I need that band. Oh, I did. Bassie, I really need that bandage. If you could lend it to me, please. Bassie, it would be really great if I could get that bandage, please. Bruh. I hate you so fucking much. And this is why we're so good. Hey. Don't mind if I do. take?
Bessie, this is why I hate you.
Well, actually, never mind, because you just saved me from getting killed. Did I give Shelly abuse? No, I didn't. You. I got hit. 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 I got a hit from getting the elevator. Dindicus! I need a band! Give me a band! At least spawn Astro, because I need him. Nope, Twisted Astro. I'm expecting this one fucking heart. One fucking heart! Because Bassie decided to leave the fucking band on floor what? What floor was it? Floor 2, I think. I think it was floor 2. Yeah. She completely left me unguarded. I was going to take that band, but she plopped it when she got in the elevator. She plopped it on the floor. And then she got in the elevator. I was going to go out there, but no. Pebble came running in, and I had no time to grab it. So, bam. Get it. Oh, shit things. I'm gonna say I almost ran out of stamina there. Actually, you know what? We'll take that. That Bassie, this is all your fucking fault. There goes Poppy chasing after Bassie the Disruptor. that machine. We're already on floor 7 and we're cruising this. Copy is loose. Okay. Thanks, but I want myself to this machine. So yeah. Whee! Yoink. Hey.
Oh, this machine!
How could you? Hey. Yoink. I'm gonna put AFK just to see what they do for a second. Nothing too bad, but I need to win. I'm just surprised how Tisha not see me. Oh yeah, I forgot that I actually had beer milk. Oh shucks. No! Ugh. Why can't I hear shit for short now? That's weird. It's like you can't hear it filling up. Oh. Now I actually can talk to you guys while this thing is not making noise. It happens to me earlier today. GG. Run, just fucking run. Where's Bassie? Where's Bassie? Bessie! Bessie! Oh my Why are you not going to distract anymore? Just because we keep getting in your fucking way doesn't mean you have to not distract anymore. And plus, I might die because of that, because I'm on one fucking heart. Same with the other show. And there goes Captain. Almost got seen there. Shelly? Bessie? Bye. Bessie has to go, bro. I'm only a distractor. And the only one here is me and the other Shelly. That was weird. Shelly. Come on. Yes! We made it. An Egypt? Bet. Bet. Bet on that shit. Hopefully we get Asher on this board, because if we don't... Oh, we got R&D! Okay, that's not bad. There's a machine in here. I mean, I can't die because I'm on the other side. I'm gonna try not to run so that we both don't die. If I do, it's on accident. Oh, we finished at the same time. That's perfect. I need research too. My question is, who else do we have? Oh, we have Connie. Yeah, Connie, let's go. Free floor. I'll actually just take some tapes, buddy. Thanks for the tapes. I think there's 2 bands on the floor. Crazy. They're still here. They're just not talking. I don't know why. How did he take? First aid. First aid. You can have it. I already took a band. I think they let me have it more. I was gonna say band, but if we got hit, it'd be fun. That definitely would be bad. 3. We both could take a hit if we want. Free floor again? 3, 4. Again. Let's go! Let's fucking go! Ow, ow! Damn, we're on a fucking streak right now! 2 free floors in a fucking row? That's crazy. Damn, we are on a roll, bitches. We're on a fucking roll. Free floor. And free floor again. How is this happening? We don't even have luck. Or maybe we do have luck. Very good luck. And I'm gonna take these gumballs. I want to eat them. Oh, I got 3. Something. Free floors in 1 row. Don't take that back. Please, I want Astro for research, and then I'll die. That's the only reason why I wanted to do this run. What do we even have? I was about to take a hit. Oh yeah, I did forget that. We get 3 Twisteds on floor 12 now. So by the time you get to floor 12, we have 3 Twisteds. And I got spotted. By Shrimpo. Of course. By the big bitch himself. Well, little bitch if you ask me. Or baby bitch, actually. Thought I saw Poppy for a second. He's coming this way. Shrimpo, I hate you, I hate you, I hate you. Well, actually, I hate Poppy now. You fucking kidding me? They're both coming this way. Both of the starters are. Go on, move along, move along. Oh, they're the band. No. I was about to say, I'll get hit so we can make it even. Also, I'm gonna pause. Okay, we made it. Tech savvy. And once we get on the floor, once the elevator opens, I'm gonna pause it and yeah, I don't feel like, cause I tend to look at my storage. So we made it. I did the 3 machines that were out in the middle because they got hit. So I did 3 and she did 2, I think, or they did 2. And yeah. Okay. That was rough. And sadly my best Shelly twin thing, they had to go. If y'all can see. No, everybody.
Yes!
Let's go! Before we catch it. So about floor 16, I died. Dandy. Okay, guys, you know what? I think I might film a video with Dandy. It says Dandy. It said they joined. I think I just got excited for nothing. But if they did join, I'd be happy. Did any of one of these persons play? Nope. But if y'all like the video, smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button. And make sure to I don't know, join my channel. And that would be awesome if you joined.